One way to save time on your jobs is by not cutting air, like in this example where we're index roughing with our fourth axis. You can see we have two index systems and we're roughing down about an inch. In our second index location, you can see we're cutting air, material removed from the first index roughing. After launching simulation and running our first operation, we can see the in-process stock. Let's use it as our operation stock for our second index roughing. Using the Cut Sim tab, we can click on the Save Stock icon. This saves our in-process stock as an STL file. Now let's get back into the CAM tree and use it as our operation stock to limit our toolpath. Operation stock allows users to define in 3D what material to target, used for roughing, semi-finishing, or finishing operations. Ready to learn more time-saving features? Sign up for our live weekly training events. See you there!